In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Hostinger account. Sharing your account can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're working with a team or collaborating with someone who needs access to your hosting resources. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you're going to want to log into your Hostinger account. Make sure you have your username and password handy for this step. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Hostinger dashboard, which is your hub for managing all aspects of your hosting services. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If you're new to this interface, it will make the process smoother. Next, locate the option for Manage Access in the main menu. This is where you're going to control who can see and make changes to your account. Once you click on Manage Access, you will see an option to invite a new member. By clicking on this, a dialog box will appear prompting you to enter the email address of the person you wish to grant access. It's critical to ensure the email address is correct. If there's a typo, the invitation won't reach the intended recipient. When entering the email, think about the level of access you want to provide. Typically, you can choose between different permission settings like viewer, editor, or administrator. This flexibility allows you to maintain control over what changes can be made by others. For instance, if someone only needs to view settings or monitor performance, setting them as a viewer will prevent them from making accidental changes. Once you've set the access level, send the invitation. Your invitee will receive an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation. It's a good idea to follow up with them to ensure they've received it, as sometimes emails might land in spam folders. After the invited party accepts the invitation, confirm their access on your dashboard. It's reassuring to double-check that the settings align with what you intended. You can always modify or revoke someone's access by revisiting the Manage Access section. This feature is particularly useful for managing temporary collaborations. Remember, sharing access to your Hostinger account is a powerful way to facilitate work and enhance productivity among your team. But with great power comes great responsibility, so always ensure you're cautious about who you're sharing access with. Only grant permissions that are absolutely necessary for the task at hand. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Hostinger account. By following these steps, you'll maintain effective control over your hosting environment, while also reaping the benefits of collaborative work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.